Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. This tutorial is over the Texas two-gun defense. This is a defense against a grab of our wrists from behind. Now, the basic motion this is built on. Imagine you're an Old West gunslinger. You got a 6-gun on each hip. You're going to draw your 6 guns, just like that. Just here and here. That's the basic motion of our arms. It's actually a fairly small one. I do want to be sure that I'm keeping my elbows tucked back behind this way. If I start in chicken wing position, this is going to be my draw. Not going to have a lot of power. I want to be elbows back, straight out and through here. Just here and here. That's our basic motion. Now, again, we're going to imagine we've been grabbed by the wrists from behind. So I'm starting off in this kind of position here. Now, if I'm just trying to bring my arms forward from here, this is not a mechanically strong position for me. I can't generate a lot of force. I'm not going to break the hold. So what I'm going to do is take a step back toward my opponent, bring my hands and arms in this way. From here, I can complete the defense. So from here, again, we're stepping back, moving closer to our opponent, bringing our hands and arms in close before we complete this. Now, as we do this, from here, once I've got my hands in at my hips, I'm going to move back into my partner, my opponent, just a little bit more. I'm going to slide a foot back just a little bit, hip check them as I draw my 6 guns. Then I'm stepping away, turning into a wedge guard, carefully moving away, disengage. So again, I'm here, move into here, hip check, turn away, and wedge guard. All right, now let's have a look at how this works. Working with a partner. Mr. McConnell, Della, if I could have you out here, please. And face your partner. Okay. All right. And Ms. McConnell, if you would turn your back. Della is going to be the attacker on this. Ms. McConnell, when you're ready, tell Della to attack.
Attack.
Again, please. With her hip check, she's knocking Della backwards off balance a bit.
Attack.
All right, let's try one more. This time, eyes closed, no attack command. She's going to try to take you by surprise. Very good. Face your partner. Yay. Face me. Yay. Thank you very much. All right, that is the Texas two-gun defense. Defense against, again, a grab of your wrists from behind. Thank you very much for joining me.